Located on the Baltic Sea near the river Lielupe, the resort of Jūrmala is best known for its clean waters, pine tree-covered shores, and the protected forest of the Kämeri National Park. Kämeri is one of Latvia's most impressive natural treasures. The untouched habitat is comprised of black alder forest and swamps. Thanks to the well-maintained walking trails, guided tours allow visitors to learn about the significance of protecting the primeval forests.
Tāpēc arī mums šīs takas ir noteiktās vietās un ir vietas, kur jāliek dabai pašai miers un attīstīties. Tur mēs.
After the long walk through the charming forest, visitors can enjoy the sulfuric water, known for its curative qualities since the 18th century. It's said that the sulfur cures and prevents many types of rheumatic disease. Besides the beautiful natural surroundings, the town of Jūrmala is also known for its artistically carved wooden houses, dating from the late 19th and early 20th centuries. They are a unique part of the regional cultural heritage of Jūrmala.
Šāda koka apbūve, kas ir raksturīga Jūrmalai kā kurortpilsētai, citur Latvijā nav sastopama.
The town of Jūrmala is also a starting point for a relaxing boat trip on the nearby river Lielupe, one of the largest rivers in Latvia. While cruising along the river, visitors can enjoy the fresh air and the surrounding scenery.
Noteikti Jūrmala, tās ir smiltis, tā ir jūra. Pats nosaukums Jūrmala, kas saista.
After a full day, visitors can enjoy more than 30 kilometers of beaches. The soft and white sand and the shallow coastal water makes for a heavenly environment. It is a unique experience to enjoy the wonderful sunset. The sea resort of Jūrmala, with its untouched and protected nature, offers a fantastic experience for all the senses.